Look, I just think of this pyro, I don't write it nor take my time. They spending days trying to think of a lie, yo. The truth before Mark, I sold grams and kept it business with the plug fam. I'm just linking the bio. It's the guy G Holy repping Gioli.com, and the fucking queen is back, man. The fucking Griselda's first lady is back, man. That's what the fuck I've been waiting for, man. And she brought Benny and Stovey with her, man. She's not alone. Listen to me. The Liz has aged so well. I've been waiting on the Liz too. I'm so glad she dropping something. I thought she fucking, you know what I'm saying? She fell out the sky on some oh shit. Then you don't see her. You know what I'm saying? She ghosted us. But she back, man. If you want to see react to anything at all, I'm always in the whip and I'm always playing some shit, man. Let's get it. My bad. Y'all know I don't do no edits on my shit. Hold up. So I gotta be recording this shit. I'm not recording it yet. So hold on. Hold up. Alright, we straight. Let's go. I ain't know how she was coming. It's grimy already.
Yo.
It's grimy already.
Fuck going on? Hey yo, I'm screaming fuck bitches. Fuck to the fuck bitches. I'm up bitches. No dose. What bitches? Pearl handle 38. Booms in the cup. Snooze if you want. When I do it gets done. It's that real.
Let me tell you something. Her delivery stepped up so much since the last time I heard her, dog. Her delivery stepped up so much since the last time I heard her. Sounds so much more confident. She projecting her shit so much more. So much more sauce. Yeah.
They mad still. I just light up your ab and pop me an Advil. It's Louis that the goose now. $100 hiccup. They say I got the juice now. Like I'm Merc Bishop. My only competition staring at me in the mirror. Mommy told me not to grow up fast. I ain't wanna hear it. Got a team of bad bitches. When they pass, get the shit. Let's cut a bag, get the scissors. When
yo, they gotta start putting these fucking producers on these videos, my nigga. Who the fuck made this beat, man? God damn.
Cash get delivered.
Can you fucking make it for me?
Don't catch feelings, I catch flight. I don't chase niggas and no type. You the whole type, I'm the dope type. Murder scene seeds, killing all the shit y'all ghost right.
Let me say this. This ain't got nothing to do with this shit, right? Let me just say this real fast. They're not gonna be on this video because they only on bullshit videos that I do. Not real shit. This is real shit. Look at my hand when I wear this shit is weird. That shit ain't weird to y'all. Look at my hand. That's some weird. That shit is freaky. Anyway, like, that's what I'm saying. And look, I took some. Anyway. Yeah. It's a set of people who be talking to me in my comments that I'm never speaking for, I'm never speaking to, and I'm never speaking about. It's two things I am. I'm a hip-hop nigga. It's three things I am. I'm a real nigga. I'm a hip-hop nigga. I'm a hood nigga. So when I be saying, yo, we don't feel that, or I don't feel that, or this, that, and the third, if you're not a hip-hop nigga, I'm talking about a real hip-hop nigga, not a super fan, who just be on niggas' dicks, that just, you know, like they group, like, you know what I'm saying? Not y'all. If you ain't a hood nigga, I'm never speaking for the Rainbow Club. I don't know what y'all like. I don't know what the Rainbow Club like. So when y'all be coming through, I don't know. All y'all white niggas that listen to white artists, I don't know what the fuck y'all like. I don't. So I'm not speaking for y'all. This the shit I be listening to. If you ain't one of these niggas, like me, you can't relate to these type of experiences. You don't fucking know rap to the point where it's like, you know what's hot and what's not. I'm not talking to you. You're a bum.
Ain't where the titties be, bag where the look be. On some chill shit, but this Mac going to killing spree. I ain't the hottest out, is you kidding me? Bitches wanna click with me, cause they really scared to be my enemy.
I've been nice since Vogues and flat tops, Maurice Malone and crack rock. When will all of this cap stop? I didn't bring this ghetto to slap box. Rappers gon' fold like laptops. I represent for all the have-nots. Coaches don't show up with the mascots. I just pick who take the last shot. 200 grand on the coffee table. Covered it, I thought we lost the table. Get a strip and get some raw for sale. I'ma tell you how a boss would tell you. Though I'm feeling like a star, I remember when that nigga had it hard as hell. Precious years wasted off in jail. That's a story that my scars will tell. Let me welcome niggas to the Terror Dome. This the GXF Marathon. Every member got carrots on. We run this shit so we share batons. West had it passed at the Conway. I got to watch how it was carried on. Very strong. A-bar kept us foot on niggas' necks very long. On my turn, I embarrassed y'all. But I knew that I would bury y'all. Money up, and the gang got her prepared for y'all. She ain't scared of y'all, little nigga.
Fly by you in the colony.
Alright, hold on. This is the first time, maybe Drillorama, where I feel like Armani clearly sounded better than Benny. Like, clearly. Like a level above Benny on this shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even talking about bars necessarily, just approach and presence and delivery. Like, yeah.
Left the plug again. Crackheads do the running, man. The money running in. Couldn't fit no more inside the pot. I had to stuff it in. Free my nigga woke, he 5 summers in. Playing with a pussy in the Hellcat. I'm like, come again. She like, I wanna go upstairs. I'm like, I want 100 bricks. You know I'm on God time, wrist time, brick time, Southside, barbershop, parking lot, fake cameras outside. And they was patient, they was waiting, they was watching us like everybody loves Raymond. My young boy hanging out the Corvette spraying.
I feel like they in Philly. That look like Philly skyline, bro. If that's not Philly, it's New York, but I feel like it's Philly, dog.
Griselda, Michelle, West behind the wheel, and I'm in the back, stapling stoves on kilos, for real. Stop.
Yo, listen, I'm gonna tell you some real shit. And I fuck with Stove God and I fuck with Benny. And they did add something, but just like Cardi B on that song with Kanye and Dirk, she didn't need them. They was cool additions, unlike Dirk did his thing, unlike Kanye on that shit. They did add some shit to it, but they could have just spit 8 and left. You know what I'm saying? They could have just did 4 and got the fuck up out of there. You know what I'm saying? Like Stove could have did 4, Benny could have did 8 after what she did. I like her on there. Best she ever sounded, man. Look, I don't even know the name of this shit. It's the guy Gioli repping Gioli.com. That was fucking Stove God with motherfucking Benny and his Armani Caesar song. And I really don't. What is the name of this shit? I gotta flip it to see the name, but if I flip it, I'ma fuck up the. Hold up. Oh, alright, here we go. $100 hiccups. God damn it, I know Westside did that. It's the guy Gioli repping Gioli.com, man. We out of here, man. Griselda, Michelle. Let's go.
Sure you see my growth. I used to argue with the trolls, but they broke, or 15 or both. What a joke, watch your step, homie. I'm the new shit in the street. When I step on him, end up a news clip in a tweet. Niggas rich and healthy cause they listen to me. You know the vocals still raw, I ain't missing a beat, for real.